get your punishment when you show me your crumbs. And it's not the spell or a curse you put on me, or the way you make me smile so tenderly. How I wish it was your temper you were throwing. Damn you for being so easy going. I thought that time would tell. My sins would provoke you to raise some hell. No, not a chance. Whatever happened to fiery romance? How I wish it was your dishes you were throwing. Damn you for being so easy going. Time will tell. My sins would provoke you to raise some hell. Don't give me that line. Don't try to tell me that an action is not a crime. Can't you see what kind of seeds you're sowing? Damn you for being so easy going.